In this video, we're being asked to retrieve an original vector-valued function given its derivative and a point on the function. So we're being asked to find r of t if its derivative is ti plus e to the tj plus te to the tk, and when we plug in 0 into the original, we get the vector I plus j plus k. Well, we know that we can work backward from a derivative to an original function by doing an antiderivative. So r of t will be the antiderivative of r prime of t dt. And we know that we can do antiderivatives of vector-valued functions component-wise. So we'll look at doing the antiderivative of t times I, antiderivative of e to the t times j, and antiderivative of te to the t times k. The first two integrals are fairly straightforward. The third one takes a little bit of work, but not too bad. It's integration by parts. So we'll let u equal t and the dv equal to e to the t dt. Differentiating the u, we get dt. Anti-differentiating the dv, we'll get e to the t. So in the third integral, when applying our integration by parts formula, we'll have u times v, te to the t, minus the integral of v du, which is just e to the t dt. Now we're ready to do our antiderivatives. An antiderivative for t is t squared over 2. Antiderivative of e to the t is just e to the t. And te to the t minus an antiderivative of e to the t is just e to the t again. So we'll have t squared over 2 times I plus e to the t times j plus te to the t minus e to the t times k, and then plus some arbitrary vector constant. We want to figure out which constant allows us to satisfy the condition that r of 0 equals I plus j plus k. When we plug in 0 for t, we're supposed to get out that vector. So when we plug in 0 for t into the function we just found, we'll get 0i plus 1j minus 1k, and then we still have the plus c. So I have an equation to solve. We've got I plus j plus k equals j minus k plus c, or the c must be I plus 2k, solving for c. Thus, our final answer will be r of t is equal to t squared plus 1 times I, plus an e to the t times j, plus a te to the t minus e to the t plus 2 times k.